Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in the mood to make abstract painting with cubism style. So let's get started. First I made a rough sketch using pencil. Then I am making the outlines with black Sharpie or marker. And I used thin Sharpie to make this outline. This is just a rough drawing that I made with pencil. Just put some V shape and some eyes and lips and just a random sketch. So now I finished the outline and I'm applying white oil pastels as a base layer, because when we apply white oil pastels and apply the other colors, it helps to spread easily and blend easily. So just randomly apply burnt umber. That's what the color I chose. This is just a minimalistic painting that I'm using a limited amount of colors, not too many colors. So first I applied burnt umber and blending with a tissue paper. It's okay to have little textures here and there. It doesn't have to be smooth blending. For abstract painting, it looks good even with little textures. So blending all over the paper, and I cut out little templates of some random shapes like this. Some curve shape and some straight shape. Just I used mixed media paper and using scissors I cut out some shapes, and then I'm using these as templates to apply the oil pastels in those shapes. Because for cubism it looks good if you have different shapes, especially straight shapes, and some of the shapes are curved. So in one of the shapes I applied dark blue color, and the other ones I applied burnt umber again. So dark blue and this brown go together. That's why I chose this color. You don't need to be following exact this tutorial. Just apply shapes anywhere you like. There is no rules or regulations in this. Just use your imagination. That is the fun part. Even kids can do it with this technique. When you apply pastels using the shape, make sure that you apply little amount, not too much. Even little goes a long way. For instance, I applied a tiny bit of red and then I'm just blending it with fingers. It's really a fun project to do. And I like abstract paintings because it gives a three-dimensional effect to the face painting that we do. And to be honest, I'm not really good with painting realistic faces like that, realistic portraits. I usually like abstract more than realism. For the landscape and other things, I'm okay with making realistic paintings. And if you are enjoying this art, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, because I post our videos almost every single day. And I have acrylic painting, oil pastels, watercolor, some of those are pencil drawings. So you can get a mix of everything from my channel. So I'm using Q-tips to blend fine areas. And when you see, I applied red color on the template, not actually on the paper. So when you blend it, it comes to the paper and it gives a nice effect, like a three-dimensional effect. You can cut out any shapes, triangle, trapezium or circles, anything that you like. And the colors also, any color will be okay. Now I am applying purple color. But make sure the colors go together and they are in the similar family, because otherwise it creates a muddy effect. For instance, if you blend yellow with purple, it creates a muddy effect. So make sure to use right the color combinations. which is very important in any oil pastels or even acrylic or anything that you make. It has to be a similar family and that has to go together. And for this painting, even little muddy effect is also okay because it's a abstract painting. So finally now I'm using colored pencil black to apply the outline and to give it a fine touch. I use Prismacolor pencil, but you can use any pencil that you have, anything that works on oil pastels. So I'm applying this colored pencil with little pressure because I need to get thicker lines for the outline. And I have a separate playlist for oil pastels, for beautiful landscape drawings if you like to try out. See, it's already looking beautiful. And I think I like the overall drawing. And this is all up to your imagination. You can be as creative as possible with this kind of drawings, and there is no limit to using your imagination. And one day I was thinking that I should try abstract landscape paintings also, which I am thinking. I like this fading effect of all these shapes. It looks really nice. And please feel free to comment on what you feel about this painting, or if you like me to make any other drawings that you want to see in my channel, please feel free to comment on my channel in this video. And I would appreciate if you could please refer your friends also to take a look to see if they enjoy my paintings. And like you can see, I am using Q-tip to blend fine areas. Sometimes I use blending techniques of tissue paper, and other times I use fingers, and it's all up to the mood. So I'm almost finishing up with this drawing. And one more thing, I think I'll add some colors, light blue to this neck area, because blue and blue go together. So I was thinking to add some light blues. And for the eyes, I'm using colored pencil, light green, bright green, which gives a beautiful look to the eyes. And for the lips, I'm using the same colored pencils, red color. And I also adding a teeny bit of oil pastels to the lip area to give it more vibrancy. And finally, for the sparkle in the eyes, I use tiny bit of white acrylic paint dipped in toothpick and just adding a dot in the eyeballs and also to the lips. So it gives highlights of shiny lips and shiny sparkling eyes. Finally, adding one more coat of the outline with the black color pencil. You could also in fact use acrylic paint to make the outline, but I like colored pencil because I have more control over the outlines. Color pencil will be more easier, especially when kids are drawing. They feel that color pencils are more comfortable to use. I hope you are enjoying this tutorial, and feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like my artworks. I'm not saying that I make perfect drawings, but I just make for my relaxation, and I thought I'll share my work with you in this channel. And every day it's a learning experience. Someday it'll be good, someday it's not so perfect. It depends on the mood. But whatever you make, it's a great relaxation to the mind to make a drawing every single day. That's why I follow this. So thank you again for watching. And when peeling the masking tape, like I say in every video, please peel it very gently, otherwise the paper will get damaged. So thank you for watching.